Adding a signature to the Word document is one of those tasks that feels like it should be a single button click, but actually requires a specific sequence. So here is the most efficient way to get it done. So head to the insert and click on the picture, click on this device and select the signature image. And now right click and go to the wrap text and click on the in front of text. And now click on the picture format and click on the crop it like this one. Click outside the signature and again select it, go to the picture format and click on the color, and you need to click on this recolor and choose the black and white option, and here it is. If you want to move it, you can easily move it and make it resize according to your need. So this way you can easily insert signature image in Word document. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.